What is a cat-cow stretch? Cat-cow is a real feel-good exercise and part of almost every yoga class. Classically, the posture is performed in the tabletop position, but it can also be practiced in sitting and standing. The posture gently and effectively releases tension and blockages in the shoulder area and along the spine. How to do this pose? Get into a tabletop position. Make sure your hands are under your shoulders and your knees are under your hips. Fingers are fanned out. The back is long, the navel pulls slightly towards the spine. The neck is a natural extension of the spine. In your cow stretch, with a relaxed inhalation, lift your head a little, look straight ahead and let the neck be long by letting your back sink into a hollow back in a controlled way. In your cat stretch, now let the movement go in the opposite direction with an exhalation. You round your back and push the mat away from you, pulling the navel a little more towards the spine. Repeat 2-3 times in rhythm with your breathing until you feel that your entire upper body is much more relaxed, mobilized and warmed up.